In this video, we will explore how to mount files into containers, covering the basics of file sharing between your computer and containers. Let's get started. File mounting allows you to share directories and files between your host system, which is your computer, and a running container. This means changes made in one location can be reflected in the other, enabling easy data exchange and persistent storage. File mounting offers several benefits. First, data persistence ensures that your files survive container restarts and removals. Second, real-time development allows you to edit code on your host machine and see the changes instantly reflected in the container. There are mainly two types of mounts. First are the bind mounts, which link a specific host directory to a container path. Second are named volumes, which are Docker-managed storage that are independent of the host file system. The basic Docker run command for mounting files is docker run flag /host/path :/container /path image_name. The v flag creates a bind mount between the host and container directories, allowing you to specify which directories to share. Let us see a practical example. Imagine mounting a local web project into an Nginx container. The code is docker run flag d flag p 8080:80 /flag v /home /user /website :/usr /share /nginx /html /nginx. This command mounts your local website directory into the Nginx container's HTML directory, making your website accessible through the container. Consider the scenario of using named volumes for persistent database storage. The code is docker run flag d flag --name my db flag v db_data :/var /lib /mysql mysql :8.0. This command creates a named volume, db_data, and mounts it to the MySQL container's data directory, ensuring that your database is stored persistently. To summarize, bind mounts link host directories directly, while named volumes are Docker-managed storage. File mounting enables seamless data sharing between the host and containers, providing an efficient way to manage and persist data. That concludes our video on file mounting in Docker. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.